The Supreme Court has clarified that a plea for cancellation of bail can be directly filed before the High Court under Section 439(2) read, with Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, even if the Sessions Court has already declined a cancellation application under Section 439(2). The court rejected the argument that once the Sessions Court refuses cancellation, the only recourse for the aggrieved party is to file a revision petition or invoke the High Court's inherent powers under Section 482 CrPC. A bench comprising Justice Dipankar Datta and Justice A.G. Masi was hearing an appeal against a Kerala High Court judgment that had canceled the bail of the accused. The appellant argued that after the Sessions Court's rejection, the proper procedure would be to either challenge the Sessions judge's order via revision or invoke inherent jurisdiction under Section 482 CrPC. The Supreme Court disagreed, noting that the application before the High Court was filed under Section 482, read with Section 439(2) CrPC. Therefore, there was no bar preventing the High Court from considering the plea under its inherent powers. We are unable to agree with this argument. In the present case, the application before the High Court was filed under Section 482, read with 439(2) CrPC. That being the case, nothing prevented the High Court from exercising its inherent powers, the court observed. However, on merits, the Supreme Court set aside the High Court's order. The court emphasized that antecedents alone are not sufficient grounds to cancel bail, restoring the accused's bail in this high-profile case involving the murder of an SDPI leader. This judgment reinforces the principle that the High Court can exercise its inherent powers to ensure justice, and that bail cancellation cannot be based solely on the past record of an accused. This decision highlights the careful balance courts maintain between protecting individual liberty and ensuring accountability. It clarifies procedural avenues for bail cancellation and strengthens the role of inherent powers under Section 482 CrPC. Stay informed and understand your rights. Cases like these remind us why the nuances of criminal procedure matter deeply.